This is Michael Rank, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper tube Batman from the blog craftsbyamanda.com. I was unable to find any particular book that struck my fancy, so working with the Oak Park Library this summer, their theme was Unmask, which featured plenty of superheroes, and this seemed like a natural fit. Part 1 involved remembering Batman's tragic past. Well, son, that sure was a great movie. Did you enjoy it, Bruce?
I sure did, Dad.
Give me all your money or I'm gonna shoot you. Please don't. We just got done enjoying this lovely movie. Nope. I'm gonna shoot you. You're next, lady. I'm Batman. For part 2, you need to gather your supplies. You'll need a template, construction paper featuring blue, pink, black, and yellow, scissors, a hole punch, something to trace the patterns with, and, of course, a paper tube. Part 3, you need to cut out all of your template pieces. Now sit back and enjoy this cutting out montage. And there you go, all of your template pieces ready to be traced. Part 4, you're going to trace the pieces onto the construction paper. Use black for the cape, the cowl, the tights, and the bat symbol. Use yellow for the utility belt and the eyeballs. Use the hole puncher to punch one hole and cut it in half to get 2 perfect eyes. Trace the large rectangle on the blue paper and the small rectangle on the pink paper. Part 5, more cutting. Part 6, the fun part, playing with glue. Take your toilet paper tube and using the large blue sheet of construction paper, cover that in glue and then roll it onto the toilet paper tube. And now take the cowl and the paper punch you cut in half to glue them onto the cowl to form his eyes. Flip the cowl over and glue the small pink rectangle onto the back of the cowl. Trim up any pieces that may overlap before turning that over and covering it in glue and pasting it to the top of the toilet paper tube. Next, glue the cape onto the back of the toilet paper tube, making sure to cover it so it's as secure as possible. Now glue the long rectangular half of the tights and attach the yellow rectangle before gluing the entire thing onto the bottom half of the Batman tube. And finally, affix the Batman logo.